What's good? This is Trading for Beginners and three things that I wish I knew when I had first started, okay? What's good? My name is Aaliyah May. This is my channel, Grow with May, and I'm excited about this video, okay? It's going to be super short and sweet, straight to the point. So, trading for beginners. The very first thing that I wish I had known when I first got started trading is to pick a pair, right? So, I'm a day trader. I trade foreign exchange and I trade stocks. And with the foreign exchange market, there's so many different pairs you can trade because there's so many different currencies in the world, right? You have the Canadian dollar, you have JPY, which is the Japanese yen, you have the British pound. There's so many different currencies all around the world. So you kind of like start off just trading anything and everything. And when you focus on a pair or when you focus on a specific kind of trading, then I think it just allows you to focus a little bit more, right? So what I start to do now is I trade specifically NAS 100, which are the top 100 stocks in the United States. And I think that narrowing that down to just trading just the NAS 100 has allowed me to focus a lot more and see better results with, understanding that specific index, than having to worry about the market moves with all those other indexes or all those other currency pairs. Okay, so that's number one. Number two would be to track my trades. There's a saying that says, what you track grows. So if you're just trading and diddly daddling, not necessarily seeing your progress or seeing the mistakes that you're making, then you're not necessarily seeing how you can grow or how you can be better or how you can improve. And so having a trading journal, I wish I would have known that in the beginning, so that way I can see okay, specifically this day at this time, this is why it worked out for me, or this is why it didn't work out for me, so forth, so forth, so forth. Okay. And number three, thing that I wish I had known when started trading is having the right trading psychology. Literally having the right mindset, like having the right mindset before you even click buy or sell, to me, is one of the most important things. Like, people don't talk about trading psychology enough. I don't think people talk about trading psychology enough, and it's so important, right? Because you have things like revenge trading, where you lose a trade and then you trade only to try to get your money back. Like that, sometimes it works. Sometimes it works, but sometimes it's the worst thing to do because you're going in it with revenge. Like, revenge isn't necessarily a good attitude or a good emotion to have, right? So going in, trying to get your money back, revenge trading is, Or you have things like greed factors, where you're like, I came up a band, I came up $1,000, $2,000, or even $100 for the day, and it's not enough. Like, you want more, and you lose the money that you just made because of your greed factor, right? So, going in with having a specific trading goal, either, whether that's a money goal or whether that's a percentage, like, how much you want to make that day. And when you make it, you're done. Like, you're not looking to make more. You're not worried about what's next. You're in, you're out, you got your money, and you're gone, right? So, those are my three things I wish I had known. This is, Trading for Beginners. Again, my name is Aaliyah LeMay Myers, and this is my channel, Grow with May. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you guys on the next one. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Ciao.